Dogs bark for a variety of reasons. Just like humans, they may bark as a warning, an invitation, or a call of distress, or they may bark because they're happy. Dogs communicate through barking, and sometimes it can be difficult to identify what they're trying to say. If your dog is distressed or fearful, it may bark in a repetitive high-pitched tone. Dogs bark for a variety of reasons. Here's a breakdown of some of the most common reasons. Dogs may bark when they're bored as a way of getting your attention or trying to engage you in play. If a dog isn't given the mental and physical stimulation they need, they may start developing destructive behaviors. To prevent this, try taking your dog on daily walks, giving them dog puzzles to solve, spending quality time with them, or enrolling them in doggy daycare. Some clever dogs will even bring you an object as a hint, like a ball or leash. When a dog is feeling fear, anxiety, or is being territorial, they will often bark defensively. This happens when there is a clear stimulus, like a stranger approaching the home, another dog nearby, or being trapped in a position with no clear escape route. These barks are usually deeper and may have a growl associated with them. They will also be fairly continuous and incessant. This is the dog's way of saying, "Hey, what's this? We need to be ready for a problem." Dogs will also bark when they are in pain to signal to their pack that they need help, or that a certain behavior is causing them discomfort and needs to stop. This type of barking is most commonly seen when an animal is accidentally bumped or hurt during rough play, or if they are attacked by another animal. If an older dog suddenly starts barking at night or at something that's not there, it may be a sign of canine dementia. The bark may happen for no apparent reason and then stop just as suddenly. In order to understand why your dog is barking, you have to consider their body language and the stimulus that is causing the bark.